I heard mostly yeses, and that is rad. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice letter R. And R is kind of tricky. Sometimes you hear it like and sometimes you hear r. Now, the difference is could also sound like ER or IR, and it gets a little confusing. So a lot more we're hearing r. So for this video, we're going to say r. Okay, we are going to practice making it, we're going to practice writing it, and then we will check out some animals that start with that r sound. So you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need is your handy-dandy tracer sheet, uppercase, lowercase, and of course you need something to write with. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We have 2 jobs today. We are going to practice making and writing that upper and lowercase R, and then we will check out some animals that start with that r sound. And when we get to the start, of course, we'll be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, let's get started. We are going to start with the uppercase R, and we always start our letters at the top. We're going to go big line down, then we will hop to the top, and then we will add a little curve. Kick it! Oh yeah, love to kick that line out. It's so fun. Okay, watch Mrs. Huey one more time. Big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it! Oh yeah. Okay, now let's build it together. And of course you get the fun part, finger writing. You could do it on the table, on your hand, on your leg, on your head, wherever. Okay, so I know I'm starting with my big line down, so I need to move these pieces over here, and let's get to it. Okay, finger writers, let's go. Big line down. Now hop to the top, and then add our little curve. Kick it! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Now look at my little line. It does not come all the way down to be even, but when we write our letter R, it should definitely go all the way down. It should match, but Mrs. Huey, my letter pieces, they're not even. So we just got to deal with that. Okay, let's do that again. Change your finger writing spot. Here we go. Big line down. Hop to the top. Little curve. Kick it! Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Let's do it one more time, just because that kick it part can be a little tricky sometimes for some friends. Okay, here we go. Change your finger writing spot again. All right. Big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Woo! Okay, now let's check out the lowercase r. Okay, friends, lowercase r is a little tricky. We're going to start in the middle. Here, let's do a comparison here. So when we make our uppercase, always at the top. Ooh, but lowercase, we're going to start where that middle line would be. So we're going to have a little line or a middle line down. We're going to go little line down, back up, and over. Ooh, that's kind of tricky. Okay, little line down, back up, and over. Now, let's look at my pieces. So this is our little curve that we use for lots of letters. Now, if I were to try to make my lowercase r with my normal little curve, little line down, back up, and then at and over. Oh my goodness, it goes way over and it kind of looks crazy. So I'm not going to use this. Let's get you out of here. I'm just going to use this little piece I made to help me, just so I can go over a little bit. So now watch, although it's going to be harder to pick up. Okay, here we go. Little line down, up, and over. Oh, nice. That works out so much better. Okay, finger writers, let's get to it. Here we go. Little line down, back up, and over. Nice. Let's do it again. Okay, ready? Change your finger writing spot. Here we go. Little line down, back up, and over. Yes. Okay, one more time, one more time. All right, here we go. Ah, come on. Here we go. Okay, last time. Little line down, back up, and over. Woohoo! Okay, now get your writing sheet and whatever you're writing with, and let's get writing. Okay, friends, here we go. I'm going to use a black marker so that hopefully you can see this pretty well. Okay, and I darkened up my tracers because they were really light. Okay, let's start with our uppercase R. Here we go. On green dot, big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Okay, let's go to the next one. On green dot, big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Woo! Okay, let's go to the next one. On green dot, big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Oh, that was great. Okay, here we go. On green dot, big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are ready with no tracer. We can do this. Here we go. On green dot, big line down, hop to the top, little curve, kick it. Woohoo! Those are amazing uppercase R's. Okay, now let's go to the lowercase r. Here we go. Little line down, back up and over. Wow, that was amazing. Okay, ready? Let's try it again. On green dot, little line down, back up and over. Oh, yeah. Here we go. On green dot, little line down, back up and over. Woohoo! Okay, here we go. Last one with the tracer. Little line down, back up and over. Woohoo! Now, this one did get a little crazy. My gap is kind of big, so I might want to go little line down, back up and over. I might want to fix that one. That one's a little bit crazy. Okay, now let's do it without the tracer. Here we go. On green dot, little line down, back up and over. Oh, yeah. Look at our letters. We did an awesome job, except I made a crazy one, but that's okay. I fixed it. It's all good. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woohoo! That was awesome. We got to practice making the uppercase and lowercase r, and then we did a phenomenal job of writing those letters. So let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Ooh, now let's go check out those animals that start with that r sound. Let's go.
Okay, friends, let's check out some animals that start with that r sound. Here we go. First one is, it's a reindeer. Reindeer. And guess what, friends? Their coats, they're lighter in the summer and darker in the winter. I thought that was really cool. I didn't know that. Okay, let's see what the next animal is. And the next one is, it's a road runner. Road runner. Oh my goodness, friends. These birds, they got their name because they have a habit of racing and running in front of cars. And guess what? They can go up to 15 miles per hour. That is really cool. And handy dandy fact, they're found in hot, dry climates of the southwestern United States, Mexico, and Central America. Super cool. Okay, let's see what's next. Next one is, it's a raccoon. Raccoon. Okay, now raccoons, they're kind of cute, I think. I like their little mask-looking thing on their face. So adorable. But guess what? They're actually very intelligent creatures, and they use their paws just like we use our hands. They grasp at things and everything. So that's really kind of neat. Okay, let's see what the last animal is. Last one is, it's a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. And a lot of times people say rhino for short, so I'll stick with rhino for this. But guess what, friends? A rhino, they have excellent hearing, excellent smell, but they have very poor eyesight. That means they do not see very well, which I thought that was very interesting. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Yes, that was awesome. We got to check out some animals that start with that r sound. And I think my favorite was probably the raccoon. They're just so cute, and they look like they have a little mask on. I just love it. What was your favorite? Oh, a lot of rhinos I heard. That's awesome. They are pretty cool. Okay, let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.